Colonial knot and the French knot are similar with a couple differences. And I'm going to show you what they are here today. So the way you do the colonial knot is you sort of make this backward C shape, bring your needle under the top part of the thread, and then take the rest of your thread and wrap it around the back. So it makes this figure 8 sort of shape, and then you pull it tight against your needle, put your needle down next to the hole you came out of, and you make your knot. So the colonial knot can be a little bit more of a fuller shape, especially if you're using a thicker piece of thread. Just to show you again. Looks really nice with pearl cotton as well. Now French knot is a little bit different, but really I think these can be used pretty interchangeably. You're going to put your needle on top of your thread for the French knot, wrap the thread around once, insert your needle next to the hole you came out of, and pull through. So you see this makes a tighter knot. Now a French knot can be made larger by wrapping the thread around your needle multiple times. So if you start like this, you can wrap it around twice or even 3 times to make a bigger knot. You can see then it's more similar in size to the colonial knot over here. So that is the 2 of them, and try them both, see which one you like better.